How to add friends in EA Sports FC. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add friends and send requests. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see this friends icon beside this inbox. Tap on it. So, this is the section where you have your friends. Now, in order to add anyone, here you can see this plus icon on the top. Simply tap on it. So, these are the friends that are available. Now, you can even customize or search a specific friend by searching the UID. Here on the search bar, you can search for the UID or name and it will display. And simply you can just tap on this add friend option. So now tap on send request and you're done. So this is how you add friends. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you.